Hello beauties! Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to do the prettiest makeup look inspired by Scarlett Johansson. Wow! That purple shampoo is really going to get rid of any yellowness on our blonde hair. Leave it on for a while and then wash it off for the perfect results. Hair care is always important, especially when you have blonde hair. Time to prep and prime the face before we apply any makeup product on it. Applying a decent amount of foundation all over the face and then concealing under the eyes. Applying concealer on the T-zone as well to get that amazing face-lifting effect. This highlighter is so shiny, I can't deny it. Time to add a little bronzer to give the face a little more definition. These brows are definitely going to look fuller and way natural. Applying warm nude eyeshadow all over the lids and then adding a winged eyeliner on top. Those beautiful pair of lashes really do make quite the difference. These nude lips are to die for. Perfect for this makeup look. Making that beautiful bob hairstyle wavy. And we're ready to glow!